It was quite a day in the market. Last night, little past midnight, we started recording Swing Machine. In a moment, I'm going to drop the focus down to just the NASDAQ on Swing Machine so that you can see it. I'm also going to compress hours of Swing Machine down to just a few minutes to maximize your time. Long story short, if you had shorted the the NASDAQ futures at 9:40 a.m., 9:40 a.m. on a 5-minute, you would have been using how much margin? $2,500. If you had held it up until just before 4 o'clock, you would have been up over 13,500. You'll see it for yourself. If you had done it with a micro, it would have been 1350. If you had done it with 10 minis, it would have been $130,000. I am Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. Feel free to visit our site. Feel free to drop me a call. Feel free to join our little private club. Enjoy. Now I want you to watch the NQ on the 5-minute. It's 15 minutes past midnight, the NQ on a 5-minute. And it's been long. It's been long. Actually, the signal went off at just a little past 15 minutes. But at 9:40, I want you to see that short signal. Right now, it's still long. And if you had taken that long, it would have been a 20. In fact, we did take it long, and we did make a little bit of money overnight. Now, you're going to see shortly. Now, the market wasn't moving this fast, and we compressed the hours and hours of the trading action down to just a minute or two. So stay focused on that NQH. There's the short, and that's at 9:15. That will oscillate out, and then at 9:40, there it is. And we're getting a couple little blips. But at 9:40, and we even came in probably at about 10 o'clock, I think it was 10 o'clock, and bracketed that trade. And that trade will be on, and I'm sorry that it is blinking like that. That is just a short data interruption. But that 9:40 short that you see on the NQ will be there all day long. And you're going to see it come to a close at about 13,500 or so, maybe even had a high water mark of 14, but I think she closes up at about 13.5. And there it is, folks. I'm Bagadon, stockmarketcaddy.com.